got a package. Just got it today, and I'm going to open it. And it's Pokemon, of course. Don't do this at home. I mean, do it if you want, but not my problem. Struggles. Oh my god. It is a, throw that over there, Pokemon Trainer's Toolkit. It has 150 cards, 4 booster packs, 65 card sleeves, 1 guidebook, 6 damage dice, and 2 damage counters. It's pretty much like build your deck. And it comes with 2 Lumineon V cards. Yep. 1 V-Star marker. Yeah, so bring this back out. Oh, it's got lots of damage. Okay. Oh. Where do I open it? Oh, okay. It opens like that. Just don't want to cut the cardboard. Okay. Okay. Throw that over there too. And just open it like that. Oh, I like that red. Got all the energies. Okay. Don't need this. Throw that over there. Now where do I open this? Oh, I think, oh, from here. Okay, it opens like that. Okay, so we've got the card sleeves. Looks like that. Oh, it's the really thick ones. Okay. We got the Lumineon, and then just the rest of the random cards. What is this? Is this all energies? Wow, okay. V-Star counter. The 4 packs. Set that they're all star. Oh wait, 2 Astral Radiance, and Evolving Skies and Brilliant Stars. Okay. Set those to the side. It's not quite metal. Oh, I like that. But that's nice. And then a poison counter, the V-Star, the tool guide, to like making a deck. And then the 6 dice. Oh, I like that purple clear. And then of course, the cards. Let's get into, so we got that. Where do I open it? There. So that. Okay, so these are, Pokemon symbol. Oh, they're really light. Oh, I like the texture. That's nice. It's like glossy or whatever, but it's not like sticky. It's like resin. That's nice. Put that there. Trainer's Toolkit, Deck Builder's Guide. So yes, just to building a deck. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so that. And then the V-Star. Okay. So it's pretty thick. That's nice. Oh, that feels nice too. The 2 poison and burned. And then, come on, through that. No, that's a sleeve. I thought it was garbage, but it's a clear sleeve. Okay. Let's get into the cards, then the booster packs. Booster packs last. So into the sleeves. So just for reference, these clear sleeves are the good type. But these ones are very thick. Where does it open? It opens... Oh, that is so foggy. Oh my god. Okay, I'll grab a Pokemon card just to test. Let's see. Let's grab this one. Let's grab that. So, that's it normally. And then in here, just like look at that difference from here and there. It's not even shiny anymore. Oh, come on. Okay. One sec. So we got that. So we got the cases, a bunch of them, 65. And then put that in there. Check that. Now, let's do these cards. Oh wait, what is that? Oh, it's this. Damn, that is brutal. Okay. Put that in there. Okay, where do I open it? Oh, there's like a little tag here. I just like take that off. Oh, okay, that's a fat stack of cards. Check that. Okay, is it all? It's all energies. Oh my god, that is a lot. So there's like enough cards to build 2 decks. Plus some more. Oh, that smells like cardboard. And like wood and whatever. Okay. Kind of a lot of energies. So I think that is like 100 energies. So that is kind of a lot. Okay. Cool. And then these. Where do I open this from? Also a tag. Come on. Come on. No. Okay, so I think it comes with 2 of those. Oh, and these are... Wait, it doesn't come with any actual Pokemon. That's what these are for. Okay. So... Lumineon V. Nice. Okay. And then... I think like 2 of each. Ooh, I like that. The Fusion Strike Energy. Lots of cards. Okay. Yeah, so just like 2 of each. Oh, except for the Capture Energy. Oh, wait, they messed that up. Okay, so we've got our 4 packs. I think I'm gonna do, in Evolving Skies first. Okay, let's see. Okay, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Dark. Huh, this is a different one than the other energies. Different type. Lumber. Fletchender. Lantern. Scraggy. Phoebus. Rapid Strike. Hippinchman. Slakoth. Oh, I like that artwork. Petalil. Galarain, Articuno, and Dialga. Nice. So that was that. Okay, now the second one, Brilliant Stars. Oh, okay. Code card. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Code card's not a black border, so it probably won't get anything. Yeah, this is a different energy. or type, but Dusclops, Starmie, ooh, Carablast, Clefairy, Cherubi, Sock, or I like that artwork, Corfish, Rosina's Backup, and a Staraptor. Okay, now on to Astral Radius. Okay. White code. Me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water energy. Pilliswine. Gardener's Vigor. Wishcash. Pseudo-Wudo. Magnemite. Ralts. Hisuian Sneasel. Misdreavus. Hisuian Electrode, and Regidrago. Oh, I've never seen that before. The lines over the energy. Nice. Okay, we got one more pack of Astral Radius. Yeah, I love that artwork on the packs. Come on. Oh, I didn't fully open it. There we go. Come on, bud. There we go. Oh, come on, another white order. 1, 2, 3, 4. We haven't got any pull so far. Dark. Hisuian Heavy Ball. I didn't know there was regions for and trainers. Okay. Hyptodon. Dark Patch. Teddiursa. Oh, I accidentally saw something. Mantine. Scyther. Hisuian Basculin. Never seen that before. Hisuian Voltorb. Silene. And a Hisuian Lilligant. V. I didn't really see the V because of the tree behind it, but that's nice. That's nice. Okay. So, this was the only pull today. And yeah. Oh. So, it comes with 4 booster packs, so 40 cards total in that. 150 cards, just like trainers and whatever. Oh, so 150 cards. I think there's like 100. So let's see. That's 100 energies, which is just a lot, and then a bunch of trainers. That's a lot. It's kind of a lot. So yeah. Nice. Okay. Here we go. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe.